Just a little back and forth just to take some of the funk off of it. Works out really good. This little points file works out really good. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're in the shop with the 1965 Vespa 150. So we're doing a little bit of work on it. I already started. Some of the things we've done so far is we repaired, I don't know if you can see it in right here, you may be able to see it, barely see it. We repaired a bit of the body that was the paint was cracked. It's kind of pulling away, so we got it to stick back down, and then we added some touch-up paint, sanded it, got it in there, and then we went ahead and ceramic coated the front of the scooter just to make it look a little bit better. And so today we're changing the oil on the engine. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the points. Just gonna clean the points just to make sure they're all good. We went ahead and cleaned up the engine bay over here where it's just, you know, dirty. So just clean it up, make it look a little nicer. One thing that we did do is, I don't know if you can see some of the surface pitting that you get on this sheet metal and this chrome, and I went ahead and cleaned it up with just with a brass brush and a little PB Blaster or WD-40, whatever you have. You can use some Marvel's Mystery Oil, just something to lubricate it, and it'll go ahead and knock out that pitting. Anywhere you see pitting, you can go ahead and do that with a brass brush, and it's not going to mar up the chrome plating. So it worked out pretty good. So all we have left to do really is change the oil in this guy. So we'll change the oil. It's a couple of bolts. We'll drop the oil. We'll put some new oil in, then we'll clean up the points and then go from there. So let me get you set up here and you can watch me work real fast. So here I am, guys. Here's the points. You see them right in between the little opening. You can see them right back here. Right, let me get you in there a little bit better. You can see them right there. This is a little points file. So let me get you wedged in here so I can show you what I'm doing. I just like to use a little screwdriver to pry it open. Let me go this way, sorry about the hand. Use a screwdriver to pry it open, just get my points file in between, and then just giving it a little walking back and forth. Just a little back and forth just to take some of the funk off of it. Works out really good. This little points file works out really good. If not, I would use just a small emery board. I love the little travel size ones that you get at a hotel in the little hospitality bags. I like those in the little toiletries in the bathroom. Those are, because they're just about 2.5 inches long, so they're perfect just to be able to use that way. So just wanted to go show you that. Let me set you back up so I can put the oil back in. Okay, we've got the oil changed, we cleaned the points, and now it's just putting this side cover back on. It goes on really easy. It has a tab, hooks right through there. This guy's got to slide right through there, and then it's got a locking tab over here, so it locks it all into place. Just slides right down. Yep, right there. And then I'll show you this little guy. Those of you guys who are familiar with Vespas, you know. Those of us who aren't, we get to learn. So it's this little locking tab here. You just pull it, it just twists and rotates, and it's on. Give it a little wipe down. Get all my dirty fingerprints off of it. And then this one has this guard right here that comes down. Just have to pull it out around the tire. Around the tire, and then it just bolts on right here in the back. Got a couple of bolts, Allen head, and that's it. So we're just about done with the service on this guy. Let's give it a start. Haven't started in a couple of days. Get some feel to it. To it. And as always, guys, I want to thank you for tuning in, and do us a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.